Alright, when I did my first video on the GoPro 9, I just kind of used the factory default settings, and I wanted to try some different ones. So I've been studying up on other YouTube users and what they use, and I'm going to try this. Just going to kind of scroll through these. Everybody's using the EV comp minus 0.5. One guy had a strong opinion about white balance being 5500. The ISO is the main thing I wanted to change. Drop down the max to 800. I was getting some graininess. I was trying to compensate. Low sharpness is pretty much universally thought to be best. So I did shutter auto, bitrate high. I'm trying to do a 2.7K at 60, and I did the linear. I did not do the super hyper smooth, and I didn't do the like the leveling that. Let's see, where's it at? There's a couple other steps here. Horizon leveling. I did not do that. I'm just going to try linear this time. So we're going to go on a ride and see how this works. Sunday here before Christmas. It's been kind of just cold and rainy for several days. And here on Sunday afternoon, the sun broke out, even though the roads are still kind of wet. I thought it'd be a good chance to get out here and go for a ride and play a little bit more with my GoPro. This is a little independent-owned coffee shop, which is my preference. If you watch my videos, you know that. It's a good-looking bike, I think. I don't know how much people like police bikes. I don't get a lot of feedback, but I like it. And I'm really liking my new wheels. I think that helped. The black just kind of tied in with the black engine and my dark side covers and stuff. So I'm just real happy with that. Anyway, just out here on a Sunday drive, and went up to the local Big B Coffee, which is an independent coffee shop here, doing what all badass bikers do. Get my Kai tea latte. But no, mostly I just wanted to check out my settings on my GoPro, see if I can get a little bit better clarity, a little bit better color. Just got done watching Flinch's video about Harley haters. He was enjoying a Maker's Mark 46, which is a little bit more badass than my Kai tea latte, but maybe I'll have some of that tonight. But I need a little bit of caffeine to make it through the rest of the day. Thursday night, my wife and I went back up to Perfect North, which we featured in one of my videos, and I did some snowboarding for the first time in 20 years, and boy, I've been sore. So today's been the first day I was feeling kind of normal with my legs and everything, and actually was able to work out again. And I've been filming a video I've been working on some work I've been doing on a Cummins Dodge Ram truck, but I'm waiting on parts, so that's gonna have to come out after this one. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a good time getting ready for the holidays. I still got to work 3 more days before Christmas, and the weather actually looks pretty decent a couple of those days. I might be able to ride into work here, which is what I like to do a couple times here before Christmas, which is pretty cool. So anyway, if I don't get another video posted before Christmas, I hope you guys have a happy holidays, and I'll see you probably before New Year's, but after the Christmas holiday. Have a good one and stay safe out there.